What is up, you guys? Hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get a loop effect, a bounce effect, and a long exposure effect using your regular iPhone camera app and your regular iPhone Photos app. It's super simple, so let's just jump right into it. Alright, to do this, you're going to want to have a live photo of something that's moving. Whether that be a waterfall, that's like one of the most common choices. You can even have just a picture of someone walking or biking. But a waterfall is usually, or something with water is usually what these effects are used with. At least the long exposure part. You can use the bounce effect and the loop effect with any of these. But I'm going to be using this waterfall picture that I have right here on my screen as an example. I took this picture not too long ago, and it's just a picture of a waterfall nearby where I live. To do this, you're going to want to take a live photo. I would recommend that you have your phone on a tripod or have it sit there on a, I don't know, like a railing or something. Make sure just to keep your phone steady. This one, I did not have a tripod with me, and I was just holding it handheld, and I think this effect still turns out pretty good. So what you're going to want to do is open up your Photos app, go to that picture, and you're going to swipe up. From here you'll see effects. There's the live, loop, bounce, and long exposure effect. You're going to click on long exposure, it's going to load here, and then you will have a long exposure shot. This already looks pretty cool. And then you can do your edits on it, make the colors pop out more, and it's all Instagram worthy. But not only can you do the long exposure effect, you can also do the bounce effect, which will go one way and then bounce back the other way. It's what Instagram calls a boomerang. So it goes one way and then comes back the other way, and then you can also do a loop effect. So instead of going back the other way, it will just go and then go and then go and then go and then go. You get the idea. So all these effects are straight from the iPhone camera app. You don't need to download anything else, and it's literally that simple. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Over here are more tech videos that I think you guys would like to watch, and over here is a video that YouTube actually thinks you should watch. And right here in the middle is my subscribe button. Make sure to click it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.